Hi, I'm Tony Broughton with Remax City Realty and I'm excited to show you my latest listing here in Gibsons. My phone number is at the bottom of the screen, so please call or text me with any questions about this property. Enjoy the video and thanks for watching.
We're having a look at 646 Gower Point Road in Gibsons, BC. Built in 2006, this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom family home boasts an oversized double garage, an open floor plan, and a private backyard. More awesome features include peekaboo ocean views and panoramic North Shore mountain views from 2 outdoor decks spanning the width of the home. The home has a gas furnace, fireplace, and range and is plumbed for a suite on the main level. Entertain family on the separate levels or generate income by running a B&B. Located in the most sought-after neighborhood on the Sunshine Coast, you're a 6-minute walk to nearby Atley Beach. 8 minutes of level walking brings you to the Gibsons Public Market and the best restaurants and shops in Lower Gibsons. The Langdale Ferry Terminal is a 10-minute drive from home. Let's get started with a walkthrough tour of this 2,424 square foot home. We walk up the driveway to the front door. Inside the tiled entryway, we see the door for the garage entrance before heading back towards the carpeted stairs to the first level. We pass through the family room and head straight to this level's deck. There are mountain views which are closer when not seen through a camera's lens. You really do have to see it in person. Moving on, here's the rest of the inviting covered deck on our way back inside. We get another view of the family room as we make our way to the first of 2 bedrooms on this level. The bedroom has deck access via double French doors, a mountain view, and carpeted floors. Down the hall, we see linen closets as we make our way to this level's main bathroom. It has his and hers sinks, a lengthy vanity, and a 1-piece tub and shower surround. Across the hall is the second bedroom, currently set up as a workout space. It has carpeted floors, a closet with mirrored doors, and a backyard facing window. At the end of the hall is a second entryway that's roomy enough for extra storage and 2 large double-door coat closets that provide more organization. With hardwood floors underfoot, we make our way back to the family room and get to see what a great space this is for hanging out or watching a movie. Reaching the stairs, we turn to head up to the top level. The vaulted ceilings on this level make for even grander, open concept living. The living room has a gas fireplace and access to this full-length deck. You're going to want to spend a lot of time up here. Sit and relax comfortably, or stand, stretch, and breathe in some fresh air along with that spectacular view. Back inside, the living room welcomes us as we pass by to the warm dining area where you could have a table easily twice this size. Next, look at this kitchen. There's an island with a sink and a breakfast bar. There's the rich decor of dark cabinetry, a stainless steel gas range, and shiny stone countertops. There are gleaming hardwood floors throughout the kitchen, living, and dining rooms. This level has a master bedroom with carpeted floors, a backyard-facing window, and a walk-through closet that takes us to the ensuite. This bathroom has a deep soaker tub, modern wood and tile finishes, and a large window that opens. Back outside, we see the side steps that lead to the private backyard. The fenced backyard has a utility shed, a patio with seating space for sitting and relaxing, and a grassy play area with a backdrop of forested land. This family home with lots of indoor and outdoor living has all the elements you want. From open, bright family spaces, to roomy decks with welcoming views, to lots of parking, to a calming backyard space, this home ticks all the boxes. You'll adore calling this house and the friendly Bay Area community your home. Price to sell, this is the one you've been waiting for. Don't delay and book a showing today.
So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about this or any other property, please give me a call. My phone number is 604-418-2695. I'd be happy to schedule an in-person tour for you or send you any additional information that you might be interested in. Thanks very much.